Everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 44 and today we're gonna solve another interesting problem which is related to array again, and this will be much simpler compared to previous one, although that was also simple. But like here what we will do, we will understand the problem first and then we will try to solve this. Okay, so you can pause the video to read out this problem description. So what we need to do here is, so we have given an array of integers and we just need to find the product of all element in that array. So let's suppose this is the array 79251. So what we need to do, we just multiply all the number together. So 7 into 9 into 2 into 51 and we will get this output 6426. Okay, and here you can see the explanation. I hope you understood this. This is super clear. Now how we will solve this? So basically we will take an array of integer from the user, then we will set a variable product which initially we will set it to 1. Okay, and this variable we will use to store the product of all the element. So for each element, okay, num in the array, or let's say I in the array, we will multiply the product by number and update that product, and finally we will return the product value. So let's write the code so you will better understand. Okay, so we have wrote our program. So what we are basically doing here, we are taking the array from the user, then we have created this product of array function, we are passing our array to it, then we have created this variable product, assigning it 1 using a for loop which is iterating through the element of A, which is our array. So one by one it will pick up the element and it will multiply it by product. So first 1 into the element, then 1 into the element into the element. Okay, so let's say, so this is, so 1 into 7, then 1 into 7 is 7, 7 into 9, like that it will keep on multiplying. I hope you understood, and finally we will return that, and once we return, we need to print this. Okay, so let's run this and see if it is working fine or not. So for now our array is 79251. So 7, 9, 2, 5 and 1, and we are getting 630. Let's see if it is correct. 79251. Okay, it is 51, not 51. So 79251. Now let's see. So we are getting 6426, which is correct only. Okay, now guys, one more thing. Let's say you can say that the format here is 7, 9, 2, 51. Then what you need to do is you just need to add comma here. Okay, now if I run this and give it this comma spaces input, we get the same output. Okay, so you can do that as well. Now let's see what optimization we can make here. Here you can see that one constraint is also added, right? The value of A should be less than 100 or less than equals to 100, and the resultant product is less than 1015. So like our product shouldn't exceed this number. This is what it is saying. Yeah, so it is giving the guarantee that it will not exceed this. So I think this is good. But let's say there are someone change the question and give you some kind of condition that it's constraints that it shouldn't exceed, let's say 10 to the power 15, okay, or 10 to the power 10. In that scenario, what you can do, we can add an extra check. How? So let's copy this, paste it here, and we can write here one extra check. So we can say if the product Okay, and then we can put it inside, And what happen if this condition doesn't satisfy? So in that scenario, we can kind of break the loop, right? So we can say we are okay. So I think it should work fine. So let's run this. Let's copy the input from here and let's paste it. And yeah, we are getting the correct output. So basically we are just adding one check here to before proceeding with this calculation, right? So you can do that if the question slightly gets changed in any of the platform where you are coding. Okay, so I think this question was straightforward, very easy to understand, and you learn how you can give inputs to the array, how you can deal with the array to deal with the elements of that array, right? So with this, let's meet in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.